And uh, Soham and I saw this vision when we started working on Ship of Theseus, that after Ship of Theseus we would want this opportunity of making films into grow into something bigger than just make films. We are consuming information in completely new ways today. We are consuming entertainment in completely new ways today. A lot of young people I know, a lot of young people who work with Soham, one of Soham's assistants who works research on is this young man called Manoj Rahul. And Soham was just telling me that he has never seen Manoj watch TV. So we can have, I think we'll keep this informal and keep this casual. At one point, I would really love to introduce, in fact, I should do it right now, if you don't mind, if I have not spoken already too much, if I have not bombarded too much information. If you don't mind, I'll quickly introduce you to around the community. And 26th January is when she's doing something really important. So if some of you wonder, it's nothing like any of us has seen before or heard before. It's film thinking and filmmaking. And we are very, very excited about developing that project. So we have these projects, and we have Sandeep Mohandas, we have so any questions for Soham or I or any of the filmmakers present? If you want to talk to Megha about the upcoming 26 January rally. Yeah, it's extremely in a huge way, yes. It's what Ship of Theseus did was validate something that we always suspected is true. It reaffirmed something that we knew must be true. What we knew was the fact that there is a huge audience out there in India, not just outside. People for many years kept on thinking that a film like Ship of Theseus can do well only in film festivals elsewhere in the world, can only be on the Critics Circle list of top 15 films of all time, but not do well at box office. But that changed this year. We ran in the theaters for six weeks, and we went on getting released in 87 screens, and all of that was on audience demand. The audience actively participated in getting the film distributed, and it went on from 6 cities to 31 cities by the end of it. So, 37 or 31? I don't know, I'm sorry. But yeah, a good number of cities by the end of it, which was completely unprecedented. And that reaffirmed something that we always suspected. We suspected that there is a huge audience that is not only ready. We kept on getting asked by distributors, do you think that the audience is ready? And I always used to say that the audience is not only ready, they're craving for a certain kind of content that no one else is producing. So the hope is to get to that audience in a better and better way, in a faster and faster way, in a smoother and smoother way. So yes, this is in a way an aftermath of that validation.
Also, going by the kind of films that you guys make, do you guys really believe in the commercial cinema that we see, the entertaining drama that we see these days? Do you guys believe in that?
Just to avoid controversy, I'll let Soham answer that question.
कमर्शियल सिनेमा में भी हम विश्वास रखते हैं, पर कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि एक ऐसा सिनेमा बनना चाहिए जो लोगों को एंटरटेन भी करे और कहीं ना कहीं सिनेमा को थोड़ा सा आगे भी बढ़ाए. तो हम वो सिनेमा बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो लोगों के साथ एक एंटरटेनमेंट का रिश्ता भी कायम कर पाए और उसमें और भी बहुत सारी बातें हैं.
सोहम जी,
या
आप तुम्बाड़ के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं?
तुम्बाड़ एक पीरियड फिल्म है जो फैंटेसी है, हॉरर है, ड्रामा है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं एक फिल्म में, और ये 1920 में सेट है. वहाँ से लेकर 1950 तक हम इंडिया को देखते हैं और थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री के साथ भी ताल्लुक़ रखती है तुम्बाड़. तो ये महाराष्ट्र में शूट हुई है और यहीं की फिल्म है, तो ये पीरियड फिल्म है.
तो संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र जो एरा उसमें आपने दिखाया है?
हाँ, जो आज़ादी से पहले का महाराष्ट्र था, एक पूरा नया अलग वर्ल्ड हमने क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की है, जो शायद आप इस फिल्म में देख पाएंगे कि एक आपको 1920 में लेकर जाती है कहीं ना कहीं ये फिल्म. तो वो हमने प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन के थ्रू बनाने की कोशिश की है.
थैंक यू.
Ship of Theseus has been very successful, and as you said that the distributors kept asking you, will you be successful? Can you give any three points that you kept in mind while making it, and you were so bent upon making it, and you were so sure about the success?
Well, there was, I can actually boil it down to one point, which was that all of us were craving for a film that we can buy a ticket, enter the cinema hall, spend 2.5 hours with a film that just blows our minds away. That was the only one single point that I had for myself. I wanted to make a film that I did not want to second guess. I did not want to think कि ये यहाँ चलेगी, ये रायपुर में लोग कैसे इसको react करेंगे या इंदौर में कैसे react करेंगे इस film से. I tried to make a film that I knew if I were to walk out of, I would walk out of it enlightened. I would walk out of it completely having my minds blown. So that was the only singular thing that I kept in mind. And I think all of us worked on the film with that kind of an intention. My cinematographer shot the film the way he would want to see a film. You know, he shot the film with keeping only that in mind, that if we were to see these images anywhere in the world, in the world of cinema, he would think that this is just incredible. So, and that's why he was responded that way. You know, the cinematography of the film has been awarded in Tokyo, in Transylvania, at Mumbai Film Festival for its technical expertise, for its artistic contribution, etc. And that is, I think, that is also the function of Pankaj thinking that if I were to see a film, what is the kind of image that will blow my mind away? And let's not achieve anything lesser than that. The same goes for the actors. You know, the actors looked at all the acting languages in the world and said, what is the next thing that one can do as an actor? How can we make cinema more realistic, more intimate, more immediate? How can we take it to the next level? And that's what the actors achieved. So I think the intention was that. It's only in retrospect that we'll be able to tell how successful we were. But the audience has been kind enough to tell us that we've been successful to some extent.
Even now the recycle walas are coming up with different concept. You know, usually when filmmakers se pucho ki kyun film flop ho gayi, so they say ki we don't know what audiences may like or don't like. So again, you are coming with something very different, you know. So you prove yourself to be very different to the Bollywood Homo sapiens.
Well, I don't know how different we can claim to be from anyone. It reminds me of a Monty Python joke in The Life of Brian. Monty Python and The Life of Brian. Brian comes on out on his window, and there are like thousands of people looking up at him and saying, Messiah, you know, tell us. And he says, well, you know, each one of you is special, each one of you is unique. And everyone is like just looking at him, you know, because his words are not really making sense to most of them. And everyone is like just nodding vaguely. And he's saying, each one of you is unique. And one guy goes, I'm not unique. I'm like everyone else. And he's the only one who's saying that. So that makes him unique. And so I really don't know how different or how unique we are. But we come from a certain space of privilege, is what I'd like to admit. That Adesh, Mitesh, Ruchi, Abhijit, Soham, me, Megha, we come from a privileged place of having, and by privilege I don't mean advantage. By privilege I mean a correct mixture of advantages and disadvantages. We have just the right amount of advantages and disadvantages that have led us here. So this is where we are. This is what we belong to. This is what we intend to do, and that's all there is to it.
So you are an actor and also producer. How do you balance yourself?
बहुत ही आसान है, क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत ही काबिल टीम है जो कि हम सब प्रोडक्शन देखती है. तो मुझे तो यही करना था कि प्लेटफॉर्म सेट करना था. अभी मितेश है, रुचि है, तो ये लोग बहुत आसानी से प्रोड्यूस कर पाते हैं फिल्मों को. तो मैं तो ज़्यादा ध्यान अपना एक्टिंग की तरफ ही देना चाहता हूँ और एक्टिंग की तरफ ही देता हूँ. तो कुछ ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता कि तकलीफ आती है मुझे.